the same principle. When you activate it, plunge and closes. There's bell, there is the one which that's like a ring, the bell, and then there's one horizontal, vertical plunger, and all that stuff. There's only 5 kinds.
Professor,
Use it for switch. Yeah.
I see the symbol for solenoid, but for you, does that feel intuitive to you?
This one, the sharp thing, yeah.
Like you can, from that you can like, you can see the solenoid out of that picture?
I mean, you see it so many times.
Oh, I see. It just doesn't feel like intuitive to me.
I understand, but remember, there's only so many things you can use. Right?
That's true.
It's like repeating itself. But the good thing is they write on it, so they say it's only that.
Oh yeah,
So a lot of solenoids work with magnets. So the magnets, when you activate them, it close or open them. So this creates flux. So the current, so basically the way the current works is right-hand rule. You use conventional way. So if it's going this way, the magnetic direction is north and south. North is this way. Wrapping it this way to north. So convention. So if your electron current basically is left-hand rule.
I don't understand that means. Like, is it because the way the coil wraps and then the way I put my hand, that's where my thumb goes up or down? I don't understand what that means.
So what it means is like if you have
I've heard it like so many times.
okay, so if you have a wire, right? Wire is wound this way.
Yeah.
So this is connected to, this is positive and this is negative, right?
Yeah.
So the conventional way is the current would go.
Conventional means positive to negative.
Conventional means the current would go this way.
Yeah, positive to negative.
So if it's wrapped this way, basically the north pole is down.
Oh.
So this would be the north pole. And this would be the south pole.
Oh.
So if you wrap it the opposite direction, you wrap it the other way, so the north would be up, the south would be down. So always you have north and south.
So in your example, where would your thumb be?
Thumb is down because it's wrapped this way.
Oh. Okay. So wherever my thumb is, that's where north is?
Yes. That's the north.
And the direction of wrap?
Right. That's the direction of wrap. So if it's wrapped it this way, it's north and this way. If you wrap it this way,
And how is that useful why is that useful to know?
north and south.
Yeah, why do I know? Why do I need to know that? To diagnose something, or to fix something, or to design something?
Well, it's just so for switch it really doesn't make a difference because it's just when you switch it's the north, basically you would pull it this way, anything you would pull, right? So once you activate it, it would pull. So for other things, like let's say, let's see, there's arc for example, right?
Arc.
Arc. So arc is a chart, right? It's coming towards you.
Yeah.
And then so this is like a chart. It has some velocity, right? So the force is going to be equal to what's called right-hand rule. So this will be the direction of the velocity of the charge, right? This will be the direction of the magnetic field. So this is the magnet, so this is this way, right? And then the force is going to be pushing into the board. So then you need to know the direction.
Got it. Thank
So
you.
it's not, for switching, it doesn't. But, arc, you need to know the direction. You don't want it to spill out. You don't want it to spill in. You have to know the direction.
manufacturers.
Huh?
Manufacturers are the ones that gotta worry about that, right?
Right. Yeah, you have to worry about those things.
Thank you.